upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, lived two best friends named Tota, the parrot, and Mena, the monkey. Tota was known for his vibrant feathers and melodious songs, while Mena was known for her cleverness and mischievous antics. One sunny morning, Tota and Mena decided to go on an adventure deep into the forest. They packed some fruits and nuts in a small basket and set off on their journey. As they wandered through the lush greenery, they came across a sparkling stream. Tota chirped with excitement, "Let's take a break and enjoy the cool water!" Mena agreed, and they sat by the stream, dipping their feet in the refreshing water. Suddenly, they heard a faint cry for help coming from the bushes nearby. Curious, they rushed over and found a tiny squirrel trapped in a thorny bush. The squirrel explained that it had gotten caught while trying to gather food for its family. Tota and Mena quickly sprang into action. Tota used his sharp beak to carefully pry the thorns away, while Mena used her nimble fingers to untangle the squirrel. With their combined efforts, they soon freed the grateful squirrel. Overjoyed, the squirrel thanked Tota and Mena profusely. As a token of gratitude, it led them to a hidden grove where the most delicious fruits grew abundantly. Tota and Mena filled their basket with the sweet treats, feeling immensely satisfied with their adventure. As they made their way back home, Tota and Mena couldn't stop smiling. They realized that by helping others, they had not only made a new friend, but also discovered the true joy of kindness and compassion. From that day forth, Milo and Polly were hailed as heroes of the jungle, their names etched into the annals of history, alongside the tale of the legendary golden banana. And as they swung through the trees, basking in the warm glow of their triumph, they knew that their greatest adventure was yet to come.